Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple ID is signed in and the iPhone 17 runs the latest iOS. Once done, go to Settings, find Apple Intelligence, and enable the core toggles. This allows on-device processing and Siri handoff. Make sure you grant mic, photos, and location permissions so the system can read context. You enable the same feature on lock screen and home screen to surface suggestions quickly. This immediate setup ensures the assistant has the data and access it needs to act fast. Now you personalize how intelligence behaves because settings shape responses. Choose a personalization level, minimal if you want privacy, balanced for practical context, or full for richer suggestions. This controls data scope. Then train the assistant by interacting, accept or correct suggestions, label preferred tones, and save 1-3 custom prompts for repeat tasks. Once you connect shortcuts and add intelligence widgets to your home screen, the system learns workflows and speeds execution. This step refines accuracy and reduces friction in daily use. Finish by testing and securing the setup. You should run 3 practical checks: summarize a complex email, create a calendar event from a message, and ask a photo-related question. This validates permissions and context. Make sure backups are enabled and limit background app refresh if battery or data spikes appear. If responses are off, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, reboot the iPhone, and reset app permissions to refresh context. That single troubleshooting tip, toggle, reboot, reset, fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.